Hello friends, welcome back to the new video guys. Today guys we are going to talk about guys Bluetooth setting in our Poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you guys how can you pair guys your Bluetooth earbud to your Poco phone, and guys how can you use this Bluetooth setting in your Poco phone guys. In this video guys I will show you. So first of all guys swipe up and guys click on guys your phone setting, and guys click on guys your Bluetooth setting, and guys you can on and off your Bluetooth from here also. So I will on it to pair. Then guys I will take guys my earbud. So guys you want to pair guys one only, so I take one. I want to pair only one earbud. So friends, you can see guys your earbud name. So guys first of all guys refresh it. Then guys you can see guys your earbud name. So I have this Piton company earbud. So I will tap here to pair. Then guys you can see this pair notification, block notification, and cancel notification. So yes guys we want to pair, so I will pair from here. So it will pair, and guys now you can use guys your Bluetooth earbud with your Poco phone while watching movies, listening song, cartoons, whatever you want. So I hope friends have understood how to pair Bluetooth earbud to our Poco phone. So that's it guys. Thanks for watching. Guys, now we will meet the next video guys with new topic. Before going guys, please go and like my video, subscribe my channel. Bye bye friends.